The water cycle, nature's amazing journey. Have you ever wondered where rain comes from or why rivers keep flowing? It's all thanks to something truly magical known as the water cycle. The water cycle is like a giant, never-ending circle where water travels all around Earth, changing its form along the way. Imagine the Earth as a giant bathtub where water never goes away but instead keeps swirling around in a great big loop. The water moves from the ground to the sky and back again, and this dance keeps water fresh and available all around us. Let's jump into the adventure and see how this fascinating process really works. Step 1. Evaporation. Our journey begins with the sun, the great magician in the sky. The sun shines down on oceans, lakes, and rivers, warming up the water. When water gets warm, something exciting happens. It turns into vapor, which is like an invisible gas, and floats up into the air. This magical trick is called evaporation. Step 2. Condensation. Now, imagine all that water vapor rising high up into the sky where the air is much cooler. As it cools down, something interesting happens. It starts to change again. The vapor transforms into tiny water droplets, almost like magic. These droplets gather together to form fluffy white clouds. This part of the cycle is known as condensation. Step 3. Precipitation. Clouds are like big, puffy water sponges floating in the sky. But when they get too full and heavy with water droplets, something exciting happens. It rains. The water droplets fall back to the earth in the form of rain, snow, or even hail, depending on how cold it is. This is called precipitation. Step 4. Collection. When the rain hits the ground, it has many places to go. Some of it flows into rivers and streams, rushing back into the oceans and lakes. Some seeps into the ground, becoming part of the soil and eventually reaching underground layers of water called aquifers. This part of the journey is known as collection, and it brings the water back to where we started. And just like that, the cycle starts all over again. Water evaporates, turns into clouds, falls as rain, and flows back to the ocean, ready to begin the cycle anew. This incredible journey helps to keep our planet alive and thriving. Without it, we wouldn't have the rivers, lakes, and oceans we love so much. Now, the next time you sip a glass of water, play in the rain, or splash in the ocean, you'll know all about the journey the water has taken and how it's part of a cycle that never ends. Isn't nature amazing?